Hi everyone, with me today I have the Eureka Airspeed. This is the all-powerful suction that easily extracts dirt and hair from hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. So let's get it open and set up. Here it is all set up, and it literally just took me seconds to put it together. What I really love about this one is that it only weighs 7.7 pounds, so it's super comfortable to maneuver. And as you can see, the bottom is quite wide at 10.5 inches, so you get that great path of cleaning every single time. It does contain a washable filter, which can be rinsed and left to dry, and it includes a crevice tool and dusting brush. They just stay right here for you whenever you need them. They're in reach for cleaning your couches, windows, and other hard to reach places. I really love that all you gotta do is step on right here so you can get that angle and start vacuuming the floor. Once you pull it back up, it snaps back into place, and the little on and off button is also right there next to you. So I'm going to plug this in, vacuum my whole house, and show you guys the results. I finished vacuuming my house, and take a look at that. I filled it to the max line with dirt, dust, and mostly pet hair. I really loved how this vacuum performed, and specifically how quick and easy it is to pull out the crevice tool. You have the attachments right there. It's super quick and easy, but I also love that you can detach this top part by just pressing this button and pulling it out. You're going to attach this right here. As you can see, there is a place for it to click in. You want to make sure you lock it there, and you can attach any of the two tools up here to the top like so, and get even farther out into all those really hard to reach areas. You get all the help you need, and it's super easy to put it back together. I absolutely adore this product. If you want to vacuum your house and get all that dirt, dust, and mostly pet hair out, I definitely recommend checking this vacuum out, and you can get one just like this from Amazon.